Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm riding my dirt bike for the first time in about it's got to be over 2 years. I mean, I rode it once a month ago for a total of 15 minutes, but that was just with my son on his PW, but PW 50. But today I'm actually going to ride it. We're going to let the bump motocross track / they have some trails. Heard about it, seen a bunch of videos on it, but I figured I'd bring you guys along for the journey. So we're just going to get the bike loaded up, a little bit of gear, and head out in a little bit. Alright, we are here a few minutes early. They open up at 3. But I guess now we'll just play the waiting game. I've already signed up online, did the waiver thing, paid. It's about 31 bucks for an evening or a day, whatever. 3 to 8 today, most days throughout the week. Well, the weekdays except Thursday, I think they're closed. 10 to 8, I think, on Saturdays. Don't know about Sundays if they're open. But you can check it out online, bump. Yeah, just gonna wait. I got another buddy coming. Got a little sandwich and some foil here when we park. I'm gonna get this under the hood, warm it up for the ride home. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, here we go. Fire up the bike and try and take it easy. Oh yeah, first try. Oh, I love that smell. Gotta take it easy. First real day riding on the bike in like 2 years, so don't need to be a hero. Pretty dry here too.
make it fucking violent.
This thing? Really?
Like,
yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let me see if I can at least take a...
Dust. Whoa! Whoa! Where are you going? What the fuck?
Okay, so we're gonna try the big track now. Just gonna go over the jumps, not gonna jump anything. Get a feel for it. Okay, here's the big track. Woo. Same as before, we'll take it easy. Try not to get too much dust here. We're gonna go see if we can check out the trails now. Try and find them. Apparently they got about 10 kilometers of trail on this side, I think. Pretty good. Don't know where they all are, but take it easy, take it easy. Second lap. Second lap. Nice and warm. Alright guys, one thing I'm starting to learn about GoPro 7s and the interchangeable battery is that is not awesome, because the GoPro died again there, so this is on the 6S. But yeah, I didn't get whatever, we'll see how the footage is. Took a bunch. I mean, whatever, at the end, yeah, I was getting a little air off some jumps there, but nothing to shake a stick at. But cool place. Yeah, hopefully this footage turns out for that chest mount, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, I guess. But we'll check you later.